Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm packing in my makeup bag. So tomorrow when I'm filming this, I am off to Singapore and Bali. So yeah, I did one of these videos 2 years ago when I spent a month in Europe. So the products are definitely very different as I'm going to a very different place this time. So if you want to know what makeup I'm packing, then let's get into it. So this is the makeup bag that I use. No idea where I got it from, but it's just rose gold, 2 compartments. It's pretty light this time for this trip, but yeah, I'm wearing most of the things that I'm packing on my face today. Just wanted to test it all works out well before I, take it away for good. We'll dive into the first compartment, and the first thing I'm packing, I pack so often when I travel, in the Savvy BB cream in the shade Light. Absolutely love this. It's great for, low coverage, rub it on with your fingers, easy go, looks smooth, looks dewy. It doesn't really need setting unless, of course, I'm going to be going into a very humid climate, so I'm going to set it, but really great, and I highly recommend it, even just for normal use, not just for traveling. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray in like a little travel size. This stuff is a lifesaver, so I have to take it with me. So yeah, love the stuff. For concealer, I'm just going to take the Maybelline Fit Me just because it's lightweight and easy to blend. It's a great travel concealer, like I don't really need a lot of coverage. I'm just going to be lounging around by the pool all day, so... I'm also going to take a little mini of the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, because just in case, I need a primer, I want to go out and make my makeup last a bit longer. Also going to take a waterproof mascara. I've never really used waterproof mascaras that much before, but I thought it might be a good idea for this trip since it's going to be very sweaty. There's going to be lots of swimming. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara in the waterproof version. Never tried it, so hopefully it goes okay. For brows, I'm just going to take the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Love this. It's Old Faithful basically, and the Essence Make Me Brow. Just, I need something to set it. I'm also going to take, just to see if I actually use it or not, the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, just in case I don't want to wear any powder products and I just want to, lounge by the pool and give myself a little bit of bronze, because, I want to stay SPF'd up, so no real tan for me. I'm also just going to take this lip liner from Essence in the shade Satin Mauve. It's just what it looks like. Just in case I want to, do my lips up a little bit. And that would go with the Essence lipstick in the shade 7 Natural Beauty. This is like my all-time favorite lipstick. It's always what I take when I travel. It's basically just like the most perfect nude, nice pinky nude. Also for my lips, this is the combination that I'm wearing on my lips today. I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm in the shade Natural Rose. So it's just a tinted lip balm. Unfortunately, this round sort of edge is not the best for precise sort of, application, but that's just sit there just to kind of juice up your lips a little bit and keep them hydrated as well. And also this Floss lip gloss in the shade LAX. I got one in my Bella box, so I had to use this one as well because I wanted this one. And this one is a pinky one, and oh my god, it smells like vanilla cupcakes. It smells so good. I got LHR in the Bella box, and that was more a brownie one, so I wanted a pink one to take on holiday. And I've also got some lash glue. I'm not going to be wearing full strip lashes, but I thought I would take some like individuals and just kind of do like a little bit maybe on the edge, see how I go. Maybe if we're going out to dinner or something, might be nice to just chuck on a couple of those. I just thought it was easier than a whole strip lash. Because, you know, those lashes are quite dramatic, and, you know, if you're wearing barely any makeup, these are probably a lot more suited. And on the other side, just a couple powder products. I'm just going to take the Australia's Fresh and Flawless pressed powder in light beige, just for all over the face, nothing for under the eyes, just an all-round pressed powder. And how could I travel to Bali without taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my absolute favourite bronzer. Smells like a dream, you know, great for light skin, just a nice wash of colour, and put it in the crease for eyeshadow as well, because I'm not taking an eyeshadow palette, so that'll just be my crease colour. And just for my inner corners or even on the lid, I've just got this Savvy Baked single eyeshadow in the shade Stardust. This one is, I use this as a face highlighter as well, and I've always traveled with this, and it's just so pretty. Last but not certainly least, I'm taking a face highlighter as well, and it is the Model's Own highlighter in Golden Sand. That's what that one looks like there. Very metallic is what I've got on my cheeks today. Yeah, the reason I picked this was because I wanted to take a Meta Cosmetica one, but it was expensive, and I don't want to take expensive stuff on my holiday. So I took the Model's Own one because I think it looks pretty damn similar. See what I mean? Dupe. Yeah, that's everything that I'm taking really in this bag. In this one, I've just got those lashes, I've got a pack of face wipes, and then I've got some lash curlers, pair of tweezers, and then just a handful of brushes, like a blending brush for the crease, a little one for inner corner, this one for the cream contour, highlight brush, got one for the BB cream if I don't want to use my fingers, a powder brush, and a bronzer brush. Literally, that's it. Oh, and like a mini sponge just for the concealer, because I don't really need one for the face as well, and this is a lot smaller to pack. It's just a Real Techniques one. So yeah guys, that's everything I'm taking. It's not a lot of stuff. It's probably the least amount of makeup I've traveled with. However, I have been to Bali before, and last time I took no makeup whatsoever. So yeah, if you want to see what I took to Europe, I'll link that makeup bag video down below, just so you can see a comparison, not just from my style, but you know how different locations can really change what makeup products you're going to use. So fingers crossed these products work for me in that extreme humidity. So you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.